In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to breathe new life into your old WordPress content with a single command. Many bloggers struggle with outdated posts that no longer rank well or feel disconnected from their current writing style, but you do not have to rewrite them manually. By using Claude, you can automate the entire editing process, which saves you hours of tedious work while ensuring your site stays relevant for search engines. To get started, you must first access the Claude interface and prepare your specific instructions. The secret lies in a precise prompt that tells the AI exactly what to do with your existing data. You should copy and use this specific prompt. Find and read my published WordPress post titled your exact article title. Rewrite the entire piece to improve sentence flow, fix awkward phrasing, and modernize the tone while maintaining the original core message. Automatically inject the keywords you provide into the new text, update the Yoast or Rank Math meta description, and save these changes directly to the live post. This approach works because modern AI models can now navigate web content and understand the nuances of search engine optimization. When you provide the exact title and your target keywords, Claude analyzes the existing structure and enhances the vocabulary to make it more engaging for human readers. It also handles the technical side by updating your SEO plugins like Yoast. This ensures that your meta descriptions are refreshed along with the body text. Once you hit enter, the AI processes the request and updates your site instantly. This method is incredibly efficient for maintaining a high-quality blog without the burnout of traditional rewriting. I hope this strategy helps you scale your content production and improve your rankings.